Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68. Hope everybody's doing well. Got this 1165 Euro or Euro D Master Lock from Bill Bacardi. Bill said it was a pain in the ass to pick. He said he got into it once. It's a dimple lock. It appears to be, I think it's a 6-pinner. So I said, what the hell, I'll do the first crack today. And when I say that I have packages that I haven't opened, guys, this is brand new. I just unwrapped it to save a few minutes. Hasn't been used. So I don't know. Gonna give it a crack. I don't know about that keyway there. What kind of Z-wrenches? Jesus, look at the thickness on this thing. 1.5 millimeter, 1.2, 1.2, 60, 10. I don't know. I'm not gonna do any review. Wonder if this would work in here. Why do I have to use that? I don't know which one we could. Let's try one of these things here. What do we got here? I don't even know. These are nicely finished. Multi-pick. Let's try it anyway. And I've probably done a half dozen. I don't know. Pretty strange keyway to navigate. From the few that I have picked, seems to me that the rolling motion that you're doing, you're using different muscles. I don't know what anybody else thinks, but that's my thought on that. And yeah, 3, 4. Still trying to see if I get the right tension on this. Wouldn't say it's heavy tension right now. Still trying to figure out how to navigate this warding. I've got a couple of pins set up front. Yeah, I've got brand new pick sets. I don't know. Yeah. It's not easy to get underneath these pins. Trying to figure out the best angle to get to them. Now, when I opened Bill's package and I saw this lock, I'm pretty sure, I mean, I said I don't have one. Then my, let's call it the light went off. And that fucking light has been dim for a long time, but I remember ordering one of these, but who knows where it is, what's become of it. It's probably in a box somewhere in a package, never been opened. So I might try the tensioner. I thought it would be best on this side, but I could be wrong. What else we got here? That's a curved flag. Maybe we'll try this one. Let's start that again. Start that again, guys. A little bit of an awkward angle for me. I'm trying to use the old thumb technique, but it's might. I don't care how expensive the picks are. Some of this warding, if you get it caught and you lose your patience, you're done. You'll break it. I see a set screw here, which means at least you can replace the heads by the looks of it. Which, who knows how much they cost. Slowly just trying to navigate. Let's see if that's the best angle right there. Let's see if this way would be better. No, it has to be this way. Yeah, see if I kind of got my eyes off this. So you gotta kind of slide your pick on an angle. Just bear with me, guys. This could take a while. First time using these and first crack on the lock, so could be a double feature. Alright, I gotta organize myself just a little bit better here. Wonder if this thinner one would work better. That looks like it could be the ticket. You know, guys, you're familiar with the ticket? Because sometimes we need the actual ticket. You know? Yeah, a regular pin tumbler, much easier to navigate. Give my tensioner just a little bit of a bounce. Okay, let's try pin number 2 here. I was just trying a regular pick there, just for the fun of it. Yeah, it's probably been a year or so since I bought that. Bill said he did get into it, but I don't think he enjoyed it. I feel like I'm close, but I don't know. I'm missing something here. Okay, pin number 4. Come on. Let's come back up front here. I think it's pin 4. I am having trouble. I mean, if that was the premise of the dimple lock, is these damn wardings, you know, because if this was regular, you'd be picking from down here, right? I'm gonna try this one for some reason. I don't know, my eyes are not that great, but that looks thin compared to, so what number would this be? These numbers, I haven't even looked at these guys. So this is a 10. I don't know, I'd have to. Ah, there we go. Was able to get it with the thinner one, guys. Patience, practice, perseverance, guys. It worked out using the brand spanking new multi-pick German set worth 40 grand. This is the Bill Bacardi gift to me, the 1165 Euro Master Lock 6-pinner. Let's look at the key together. Yeah, you can see that, eh? So, deep cut. So like low, high, low, high, low, low. Don't know if those last two came into play, but we're done. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks, Bill, for sending this beast over to me, guys. Please hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think. And that's the multi-pick. Stay well.